Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust bitrate settings on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up these settings on our phone. So we're gonna use the quick app for it. Here, what are we gonna do is we're gonna change into the video mode. And once we are in the video mode, we can go to video and customize it. As you guys can see here, we have the aspect ratio, resolution, frame rate, but now we want to scroll a bit down. Here we have the bit rate. Here we can change it to max, high, or standard. So we can do that by just clicking the button. We can also change it for everything, so we can apply the high bit rate for all. We're just gonna click here and click apply to all. Now it is applying to all of our modes, and that's how you guys can easily adjust the bitrate. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.